Boone, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in close. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Polk County in central Iowa, eastern Madison County in south-central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa, northwestern Warren County in south-central Iowa, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over DeSoto, or 5 miles south of Adel, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Des Moines, Urbandale, Clive, Waukee, Norwalk, Winterset, Adel, Earlham, DeSoto, Van Meter, Jordan Creek Town Center, Avenue of the Saints Event Center, St. Charles, Martinsdale, Cumming, Patterson, East Peru, Bevington, Spring Hill, and Badger Creek State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 54 and 72. Interstate 80 between mile markers 103 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Madison, Polk, and Warren.